Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private step by step. And at the end, I'll also show you how it looks when you search your account from another TikTok profile. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app download from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. Now tap on privacy. At the very top you will see the option private account. Turn the switch on. Once it's on, only the people you approve as followers can see your video and activity. Now let me show you an example. I will open my second TikTok account and search for the account that I just made private. As you can see, when I open the profile, the videos are hidden and it says the account is private. That means the settings worked. And that's it. Now you know how to make your TikTok account private and protect your content. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks.